I got a call when I was on my way back home. I had finished up another job and I had grabbed some lunch with my family and was going to take an early day, but then I got a call. It was from a customer I had submitted a quote to before, and she had said that she called or she had left a message saying that she went with another company, but then she called me and said, "Hey, I know I left you a message saying I went with another company, but they just called and told me it was going to take them longer to show up." She didn't like that was not really professional. I mean, it happens. I know from my side of things, it happens. Previous jobs take a little bit longer, but I feel like there was something else there, maybe the communication or something. So she reached out to me and she said, "Hey, can you do the job?" And I looked at the clock and it was already like 1:30 and I was exhausted. I was super, super tired and I didn't want to do it. But I heard a quote the other day that says, "If you're too tired to do it, then do it tired." And I said, "You know what? I'm going to go out there and I'm going to take care of you today." And she was super happy. I upsold her the driveway as well. So I ended up doing a soft wash on the roof and a driveway cleaning as well. And the roof came out looking fantastic. I had to do a little bit of cleanup on the property as well because she really maintains the property pretty well, especially like in the backyard and whatnot. So I didn't want to damage anything. The treatment was working really well. I put it on about 4% and coated the entire roof, and the moss was accepting the treatment really well. So here you can see I'm spraying, it's our soft wash solution. It's sodium hypochlorite, surfactant, and water, using about 4% sodium hypochlorite. On the dial, on my little proportioner dial, I only have my soap set at like a 1. And even with that, I'm getting all of this soap. So the surfactant that I use is really, really great. I use this surfactant from Seattle Pump and Equipment up in Woodinville, and it's been working out really, really well. So I'm really happy with that. So I got the entire roof coated, and then I did a rinse on the roof. But as I was cleaning, my drone fell. Well, the battery died and it went into somebody else's backyard. So that was pretty embarrassing, but I retrieved it and everything was good. I got the roof rinsed off, flushed out the gutters, cleaned up the back, and the results were incredible. She's back for a 3-year warranty. She's not going to have any moss on the roof for the next 3 years. There is a small bit of moss that you'll see on the roof there, and that's going to die and dissolve over the next 4 to 12 weeks. Comment below, let me know how I did, and if you want to see more comments or if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video.